Hello guys, good evening. I'm here in the hallway drinking hot lemon. How many days more before Christmas? You know, every Christmas my emotion is mixed. Happiness and sadness. Happiness because it's the birthday of our Savior Jesus Christ. Sadness because December 25, 1982, that's the day in the month, year 1982, my father died. Exact December 25, he died that time. That's why mixing happiness and sadness. But that's long time ago. 1982, I think it's already 42 years. Already 42 years because today is 2024, yeah. I'm still small kid at the time when my father died. I don't even remember his aura because the picture of my father in our house in the province before burning with the fire, all the picture of the old picture of my mother and father will go to us because of the fire burning. We won't be able to keep photo or picture from our dad, but they always telling me that I look like him. That's why I am the favorite of my father when I am still young and he was still alive, because I'm exactly look like him. Our relative always telling that to me. Happy Wednesday everyone. How was your day today? Hope all is good. Well, no sickness. Me, I have pain in my shoulder and the side of my shoulder and in my neck. Maybe because when the foam of my bed is very it's not when you lie down. I'm here in the hallway because inside the house very cold. The cold temperature is like going inside to my brain. Here it's only 22. The temperature of aircon here is 22. Inside is 5. I cannot stay long with the 5 temperature of the room. It's so cold. I prefer to stay in the balcony or in the kitchen or here in the hallway when I'm not doing anything, because inside is so cold. I'm waiting for my alaga. She gonna arrive soon. Bye guys, good evening and happy Wednesday everyone. Good night and sweet dreams.